Hello, kids. Steve come back at you with hair going everywhere again. It's that time of year again. Happy April Fools. Your calendar will be playing the part of April the 1st. Myself will be playing the part of the Fool. So, what are we going to open this year? Well, we've got a couple of things I haven't opened before for you. Some ho, ho, ho hot sauce and a tasty 3-pack of beer flavored hot sauces, both brought to you from the likes of Locket99. Visit with him in chats on you have Firestarter Breaks, you have Rupert for Rookies, you have other channels, possibly even Diamond Princess, if and when she goes live again, Adam's Card Closet, Huddle Card Collections. He's all over the place. Really cool cat. He's the other fool in this, because he's going to make me do it. Let's do it, though. We're going to have a shot with some beer and hot sauce. So, might as well get into it. It's got to be done, so we'll do it. Alrighty. So, oh, there I am. Can't see me all the way up there. I'm like the reverse of Wilson. All right, no, not the volleyball. Come on. Alrighty. Get a good amount of beer in there. Get some of this ho-ho hot sauce. It's kind of scary. It just says that. Doesn't say what kind it is. Oop, and it's got a protective seal to it, so that's probably a good thing. I smell lots of vinegar, but let's get a good amount in there. Yep, there we go. Look at that. Well, bottoms up, Prost, L'chaim, Naroch. Vinegar. Lots and lots of freaking vinegar. All right, Lockin. Whew. Thank you for that, my friend. How about we get into the beer flavored hot sauces? We have Pilsner, IPA, and Stout. On the backs, it doesn't say much. It tells you if it's good for you or not. No carbs, so that's good. Very little sugars, that's good. I should have thought ahead and brought something to help me open this with. But never fear, the monkeyphat fingers are here. You know, I hope you guys do have a great week, even though it is, like I said, April the 1st, April Fool's Day. Don't be a fool. Have yourself a good time. Let the other guy be the tool. Alrighty, so got a little schmutz on the bottom of each of them, but we will start in the order that they were put in there. Let's begin with Pilsner flavored. Shake it up. Ooh, ooh, shake it up. All right. Okay. So for the first one, we shall get some beer going and some premium beer hot flavored hot sauce Pilsner. Oop. Not sure what to expect. Smells not much unlike the Christmas one. Yay, Steve. Here we go, guys. Cheers, Naroch, Prost, Packers. Wow, much better, much smoother, more genuine, hot saucy taste with a hint of Pilsner. I enjoy it. I rate it as 7.5 out of 10 because it's got a great beat, good heat, tough to dance to. All right, let's get ready for the next one, the IPA, which IPA beer is one of my favorite beers. I love the Indian Pale Ales. Just can't drink too many of them at once or else you get all foobarred. Hey, come on, we've all been there now. Admit it. Oh yeah, even you. I've seen you dancing naked in the streets. What the hell? Alrighty, here we go with some premium beer flavored hot sauce, the IPA. And because they have schmutz on the bottom, I will peel that off later. I will lay them down sideways. Alrighty. One more time. We will see you at the bottom. Okay, it's got more heat. A lot less vinegar, which is fine with me. I hate the vinegar stuff. Wow, that's got a lot more heat. Let's see if it says anything. 11 servings per container. Well, that's yay. Okay, so nope, they are all the exact same ingredients except the type of beer used. So I guess the IPA, being a little more pale, obviously Indian Pale Ale, lets the heat come through a little more, which makes sense. The Pilsner really didn't. Now the stout, being a much heavier beer, I'm going to then assert my opinion that this will be the least hot tasting of them all, even though it's got the same cayenne pepper and the other peppers in it, based off of the ingredients of the actual beer involved. We shall see and hope. Last one, the premium beer flavored hot sauce stout. Alrighty. See, we took that much from this one. So did we take about the same? Oh, look at that. We took about the same from all three of them. Okay. So once again, Pecker's cheers Prost Nacht, L'chaim. And I was right. That was the least hot of them all. Even though it's the same glass, I've used all four now, and here you'd think a little residual from each would get it. But the beer and ingredients of the beer involved really tamed it down. You can really taste the fullness of the stout a lot better. That's cool. Man, I like that one best, actually, even over the Pilsner at the beginning. All right, well, hey, kids, I'm glad you could join me. I'm glad you could see me do all this foolish stuff on this April Fool's Day. And I think I'm going to go out this evening, play some fool's ball. But no, I kid. I'm a kidder. Hey, thank you all for tuning in so religiously. Almost up to 1,800 videos, and I'm a few months away from my, what is it now? 4th year of doing this. On average, over 1 video a day. I enjoy the most doing Saturday morning cartoons and giving you all shout outs on Sunday. But please, please, treat everyone with the respect you deserve. Just be the best you that you can be. And you know what? Above all else, peace.